Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to review Zipbooks. The first thing I'm going to compare are pricing plans, and then I'm going to show you the main features, like in what way Zipbooks is amazing and what are some of the disadvantages I personally see. So let's start. When you would come here to the pricing plans, you can see the starter, smarter, sophisticated, and accountant. You can test it out by yourself with a free trial for a few days. Then you're gonna see the free account with send unlimited invoices. This is really great, so you can have like a lot of clients. You can also accept digital payments, and you can view basic reports. Now on the smarter, you can schedule recurring invoices with the auto bill, automated reminders, and then in sophisticated, you got literally everything. Now, pricing of Zipbooks is all right. It's not so expensive comparing to, I don't know, Xero or even QuickBooks, but it's still okay-ish. And what I really like is that you can actually use just the free account, and it's enough. When you come here to the Zipbooks, you're gonna see the dashboard here, and what you want to do is just click on more, and right here you would see invoices, estimates, recurring items, reminders. Then you're gonna see the transactions here. So you see transactions, you can manage banks, categories, bills, and then you have reports like financial statements. I can click all here, and you can see all the reporting here. But I think that reporting in Xero and also in QuickBooks is much more complex comparing to Zipbooks. Then you have contacts here that you can click add all, and you can simply add a new contact, first name, last name, contact, mail, company. It's really intuitive, and if you want to use Zipbooks, you're not going to make a mistake here. Now when you click on the invoices, let's just click on add invoice, like how it actually feels to add an invoice. You add a bill to customer, myself, title, I can add it, and simply add like a book, right? So this is what you can actually do and how you can play around it, right? Then the same thing with tracking time. You can simply click projects and add a project. So I'm going to add a project here, project rate. You can have a staff rate or flat a month, 50, budget 100, and just click save, right? And then what can you do is just simply track time and choose a project with the customer and start tracking the time. And this is really good and really easy to use. And that's pretty much it. Zipbooks is good accounting software, but they don't have a lot of reporting here. You can do the reconciliation here and it's okay. But again, you don't have mileage here like in you don't have mileage like in QuickBooks. You don't have also sales tax that you can do in in QuickBooks. It really depends what do you actually need from a software. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.